I am with Amish Rao. The name is synonymous with bartending, flair, and everything. She has done a marvelous thing in bartending and mixologist. Ami, welcome. Please speak something about bartending and mixologist.
Thank you for the sweet introduction. Yeah, I'm a bartender, mixologist, and into flair especially as well. That's what pulled me into the profession, flair bartending, and I've been doing this now for a bit. It's basically the art of mixing flavors, mixing ingredients, most often liquids. They can be solids and other kinds of molecular forms involved, but like most often you'll have liquids that you mix together, find the right balance, and create a delicious beverage that can be sipped on. So that's what mixology is all about, and flair is just bringing flair to that, to those drinks. The art of performance, juggling, bringing some jazz, the garnish of the cocktail, you can say. Yeah.
Ami, I know what is bartending, I know what is mixology, I know what is flair,
Yeah.
even you know because you are into that trade.
Correct. Yes.
Let,
What
uh,
is?
Yeah,
Yeah.
let people know, they ask what is mixologist, what is bartending, what is juggling and all. Can you highlight something about
So mixology is again like the art of mixing cocktails, using various methods of mixing, from shaking to stirring to just putting it in the glass itself, to as simple as pouring a drink which is ready, like a liqueur, or having a limbu pani. That is mixology. Your gola and the ganna juice that you get, they put a little bit of ginger and lemon in with that sugarcane juice. That is
And some
mixology.
masala.
And they put a little touch of salt.
Yes.
The salt makes the flavor pop. So that is mixology. You add alcohol to it or you don't. That's just one ingredient. And when it comes to flair and juggling, so flair is the way you pour, the
Right.
way you might serve your drink, the way you might just balance, and here you go, like this is for you, and that is flair in a way. And juggling can also be a little bit of this, but juggling doesn't have anything to do with bartending. It's the skill or the performance, the art. It's a performance art where you manipulate and control objects in calculated ways, and make very beautiful patterns and visuals with them. So that's juggling. So yeah, my work is a mix of all three.
I know Shaddi Basu, I know Sonal Holland, I
Right.
know Amish Rao. These are the people who have made name in bartending mixologies in India. How do you feel you're into this league? And what is your message to the other girls who want to join this trade?
Well, please join. We still have very few women in this profession. We still it's very imbalanced. So like mixology is all balance. You need a good balance of different flavors. You can't have too much of one flavor. If it's
Right.
too sweet, it's too sour. You need a good mix. Same way, like in F&B especially, and hospitality in general, you need a good mix of all the genders. So women, trans people, intersex, everyone, men too, yeah, but we have so many, especially the other genders. Come forward, be a part of hospitality, and make it more hospitable, because honestly that's what's, I think, missing in hospitality. Yeah,
The message is clear.
bring the balance back.
Bring the balance back, girl, boy, transgender, whoever.
That's right.
But especially girls have limited access into this trade.
Yes.
Amish Rao's message is clear. Come and join. It's a way to go.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ami.
Thank you
Please
so
speak
much.
if you want to further
Yeah,
highlight.
and also like be yourself there, like bring yourself there, like yeah, see, find your right people. It's a lot about teamwork. I think find the space
Right.
that really you feel at home. So yeah, that's also important. See if you feel comfortable, you feel good. Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So if you like this video, please do subscribe and share, and yeah, hit that button. Cheers.